G'day guys, welcome back to another episode. What a crazy couple of days it's been. Absolutely insane. I got some things to tell you guys. First of all, I just want to say thank you because we did it, guys. We did it. Boom! Woo! We done it, man. 1 million subscribers, baby. It just happened so quick. We pretty much got this in 1 year. Look at Strider. This is probably why we got 1 million subscribers. No, what are you doing, Strider? Is this yours? Here. We have fire, baby. Hats available now online, youngbloods.co. A few days ago, me and the boys dropped the boat in. It's pretty much the last time we could drop the boat in because she's gone now. We're getting a brand newie. September the 21st, we'll be doing a meet and greet at Perth, and then on the 25th, I'll be in Sydney as well for a YouTube event. So after that, anywhere around the Sydney area, if you want to hook up and do some cool shit, I'm hell keen, man. Whoa, Strider! Woo! Not sure if you guys are familiar with what a cobia is. It's very, very common for cobia to hang off like manta rays, whale sharks, even whales or other things like that. They just seem to be so attracted to it. They're pretty much worldwide. I think you... Strider! Anyway, as I was saying, the best part about cobia is that they mature in a couple of years, which means they're able to breed. They live about 15 years and their, reproduction is crazy. So there's so many of them around and they taste delicious. They're so much fun to catch on the rod and reel, but check out how D-Man got his one that I'm about to eat up right now. Come on, baby. On. Just a few birds and a bit of bait jumping around. So the boys are chucking some lures out. We'll see if we can get anything just on the way out. Why not, hey?
Manta Ray, big ass Manta Ray, maybe a big cobia.
Come on, cobia.
Jacko's gonna catch it.
Nah.
Sucker fish. Oh, there's one under it. Nah, it's a sucker fish. There's not one under it.
It's rare to see them out like this wide, away from any shelter.
He has two.
Take it out of gear.
Oh, there's a cobia.
Let's cobia. Take
Go,
it out
Sam.
Of gear.
Take it out of gear.
Right out of
Put
the
the lure in.
Go. The lure in.
Oh, Sam, what was that?
Sam!
There's another one behind the cobia.
Oh, there's
out of
gear.
Is it out of gear? Yeah. Cast out in front of it. Literally, just flick it like... Oh. Hurry up, Sam.
Oh my God.
That's so epic. Why'd you send it so far?
Sam!
You cast it, Sam. I got this. Keep your chin up, brother. Keep your chin up, brother.
Whoa. The mana is there, Sam. Right underneath the drone. Can you see the mana?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go.
Alright. Just right.
Good work, man. Oh. See you later, buddy. Nice job.
Yeah, man's gonna hop in, shoot one. What? Oh, hang on. Yeah, I got ox.
I got this.
Hey, Lance, just let him load it and then...
Reckon he's puffed? He'd be buggered. Oh, the Manta Rays diving. What's happening? D-Man! Oh, he's getting slapped.
Yeah, there you go. Hey, don't give him a dollar.
Good fish. That is awesome.
Oh my God. Oh, you shot that really good.
Yeah.
Man, that was absolutely insane. We've seen a heap of manta rays around, got the drone up, the boys were fishing, Jacko got one, this other one was playing the game, so D-Man hopped in just with the essentials on, and man, looked like a really good shot from above the drone. Oh, is it wrong if I use that as a table? I don't really have anything else, like a little cutting board. Oh, that's just before I hang it up on my wall. I'm going to use it as a cutting board, just this once. How is the afternoon? Super low tide. Ooh, we got fire, baby. You can't even see it, but we got fire, trust me. What I'll do is I'll just let this warm up a little bit. maybe go for a little stroll with Strider out there. When it gets nice and hot, straight on the pan. There's a little bit of Cobia that I prepared before. Just a little bit of seasoning on there. Nothing too special. Smells absolutely beautiful. Look at you reckon, Strider? Yep. Yum. How you going, Strider? Go on, go get him. Go on, get him. Just to keep you guys updated on what I've been doing. Yesterday, I went for a fish, and today I just caught up with my friend Brinkley. We went out on the ski. It was honestly so crystal clear today. Oh. What is this? Trying to race me. Man, I just cast that and I was letting it sink, and this little spanger here smashed it when I was letting it sink. I didn't even get time to throw the bail over. Such a good little fish. Oh, what a beauty! Have a go at this gorgeous little fish. What a little beauty! Gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm gonna get him back in the drink. Oh, thank you, mate.
Get out of the rocks. No, 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 no. Out. Oh, yes. Gotcha. Oh, 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 oh.
No! Ah! Ah, snapped me. Oh, solid spango. Monster spango. Got me in the rocks, got him out of the rocks, got me back in the rocks. I was trying to sort the GoPro out. Ah, that was my one good spango lure. Because these things go so hard and they try and reef you every time. All right, I'll be back, guys. I'll be back. Go on, Ocean Barbie, jump. Is it nice?
It's so clear.
It is actually ridiculously clear. Look at this. Ah! How'd you go then, Brinkley? Ah! Beautiful. I'll turn that right down there. Drop the lid. Phew! We did it! Strider! We did it, baby! Man, I know I thank you guys a lot, but this is insane for me to be able to be doing this every day almost. Living my dream. Just chilling back, going fishing, going diving, going on adventures, interacting with animals, hanging with Strider, hanging with my friends, my family, living on the beach. And without you guys watching, subscribing, liking, helping us with buying merch and all this sort of stuff, I'd be still twisting wires together, still not complaining, man. But this is like the ultimate dream, and anyone can do it, really. Where I'm from, I live in the tiniest little town. No one else has ever got one of those gold play buttons before anywhere around these parts. So, and if you've got a passion, don't stop. Obviously you need all your stuff behind you. You need a job, you need to finish school, you need to keep ticking away like in life to set yourself up to go and achieve your wildest dreams. But do not give up no matter what, no matter who tells you you can't do it. Wow. How good's my table? Yes, I'm making another wrap. Ooh, man, I love wraps. They're so easy. Brodie, you want some fish? Come on. Come on. Bit of secret sauce. Yum, 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 yum. Yeah, so no. Strider, you're in the GoPro again. Strider, you're in the GoPro again. Strider, lay down. Good girl. You're always doing that now, aren't you? You want some fish, huh? I'll put some bit of green shit. Wow, this wrap's special, man. Like, I just made a wrap on our 1 million play button. Here's to you guys. Thank you so much for your support again. I know I've said it so many times, but this means a lot. Here you go. They're good. Alright guys, that's it for another episode. I don't really have much to say. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in a couple of days. There you go, Strider, you deserve it. Congratulations. 1 million, baby!